Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the most requested and one of your favorite coin, ICP, Internet Computer. ICP is one of the top performing coin as of now, and during the bear market it crashed all the way down to approximately $3, and right now it's trading between 17 to $18. Guys, if the momentum continues like this, then how high will the price go? And is there any chances like ICP breaking its previous all-time highs in this bull cycle? I'm going to discuss all that in this video, okay? And guys, before we start, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, now what exactly is ICP, Internet Computer? Guys, right now the Web2 space is completely centralized and it's being ruled by big players like Google, Amazon, etc. etc. Now assume that you have a YouTube channel. The channel may be yours, but everything is controlled by them. So if you do a small mistake or if you don't follow their rules, your channel gets terminated. So Web2 and everything in that is highly centralized, and all the popular applications on the web are often closed sourced and are hosted by a handful of data centers owned by big tech firms. And if these data centers fail, then the web also will shut down. So to solve all these centralized problems, ICP was created, and its goal is to make internet as decentralized as possible. And this is known as Web3. Now, the next question is how high will the price of ICP coin go? And will it break its previous all-time highs in this bull cycle? Guys, you should know this. ICP touched ATH of $750 3 years back, and on different exchanges, it will show you different prices, okay, like $300 or $400. Guys, here I'm going with coin market cap value, okay, $750. But the problem here with ICP is I don't like when a coin has its max supply as infinity. So theoretically speaking, there's no limit on how much ICP coins can be produced or printed, and tracking its supply and inflation rate is also very hard. In recent year we saw 3.5% inflation, and in certain year it was 10%, 6%, and so on. So right now the inflation rate is slowly going down, which means less tokens are getting printed every year, which is a positive sign. Now, will ICP break its previous ATH this bull cycle? On CoinMarketCap, if you check its previous ATH, it shows $750, which was 3 years ago on May 2021. But if you look up here, it shows ATH was $428. So if the price touched $750, then its market cap would have been like somewhere around $92 billion. And this is not an exact accurate number because continuously the tokens are being produced and it's being pumped into the market. So for price prediction sake, I'll go with this ATH, okay, which is $428. So right now, ICP has $8 billion in market cap, and during its previous ATH, it touched around $53 billion. So if ICP touches its previous all-time highs in terms of market cap, then its price would be around $116 per coin. Now, how is this possible? Even if the market cap touches its previous all-time highs, the price will be still at $116. It should touch $430, right? But the price will stay around $116. This is because a lot of ICP coins are being printed and it's being released into the market. And that's why here under total supply it's showing infinity, and that's a big problem. And right now on average 3.5% of new tokens are being added into the circulation. So if the price has to touch like $430, then the market cap of ICP should be around $196 billion. Guys, now what do you think of this ICP coin? Let me know that in the comment section down below. Okay, now if you're active on my Telegram channel, you can see that I shared this project here. Edu3 Labs. Edu3 Labs is a low cap coin which has the market cap just around $5 million and has 90 million coins in its total supply. And in the last 1 month, it has shown more than 100% in returns, indicating that this project has some momentum. Okay, now what is this Edu3 Labs and what does it try to do? So this project here is somewhat similar to Giggle Academy, which is completely related to educational content. And here Binance EZ is promoting lots of educational projects, right? So there's chances where this Edu3 Labs could get listed on Binance in the future. Now this is their website here, Future of Education by Edu3 Labs. Guys, here you can find all the learning related courses and educational content. And here you can pick and choose your category. You can choose video courses, books, lecture notes, or audiobooks. It's up to you. And very soon they'll be launching their own AI university also. Now if you look at the social media pages on Twitter, Edu3 Labs has like 79,000 followers, which is actually very impressive. And they're also getting partnered with so many other projects like Skillful AI, Open Fabric AI, and they're partnered with Hybrid, CLS, and so on. Guys, right now Edu3 Labs market cap is just around $5 million. And if you compare a similar project like Open Campus, It has around $300 million in market cap. So if this project continues to work like they're working now, then there's chances where the market cap could touch around $100 million in the bull cycle. So if the market cap touches $100 million, then easily it's 20x returns. And if you look at their exchange listings, as of now, this project is listed on Gate.io and MEXC exchanges. And if it gets listed on another one or two exchanges, then you can easily see the price bounce from 0.20 to 0.50 or more than that. And guys, if you want to track this project, like on which exchanges it might list in the future, then you can follow them on their Twitter page. You'll get regular updates from them. Now guys, in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then do it now. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now please do drop a like on this video, and in case if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now in case if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.